Nandito kami sa birthday guys, ayan. Clown, may clown.
Let's do the high and low exercise. Everybody say hi! Kailangan gusto ng teamwork, kailangan maabot sa Picas Garden. Hello! Hi! They know that we are here today. Did you say LSE here? Not yet. Not yet. So ladies and gentlemen, ang tinataga sa masipang pakpak ang atong birthday girl na si Elise. Let's give her a big round of applause. Our birthday girl, Princess Elise. A big round of applause. Everybody to Elise. Together, here. Round, tita. Let's sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Instagram and Twitter account. What will you say, Elise? To all your friends. You say thank you, everybody. Oh, na-share si Elise. Ayaw mama na lang mag-well. Ating alam yung mga playlist mo, no? Ato, let's do without pictorial first. Thank you so much. And now, let's go back now to your respective seat, mga bata. Kailangan mga bata, alam mo palit sa kupangan sa clown. Pushing, okay? Just stay away from each other and everybody scatter. Everybody do the hand side walk. Everybody stay away from each other. Kailangan din yung mag-sikit-sikit. Everybody, okay, go, ready? Stay away from each other. Ready? 1, 2. Small kids stay in front. The big one will stay at the back of the small one. 5. Everybody say hello. Hi. One more time. Make it louder. Hi. And hello. Now, how old is Elise now? What kind of 5? Is it 5 years old or 5 days? There we go. So let's give her a 5 big clap. 1, 2. Everybody jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around 100 times. 100. Everybody say aww. You look at me now. You say aww. Everybody say Okay, everybody, are you ready to play? Everybody, just follow what I say and do what I say, okay? Sunda ang akong isulti, ubuhat ang akong isulti. Listen up, because sometimes the wrong will do some tricks. Alright? Ready, put your hands up. Itaas ang duha ka kamot. Put your hands down, ibutang ang kamot sa ubos. Put your hands up, ibutang ang kamot sa taas. Put your hand to your head, hikap sa ulo. Put your hand to your ears, hikap sa dungga. Put your hand to your neck. And where is your shoulders? Shoulders, tummy, head, shoulders, tummy, tummy. Let's ready, group yourself into 3. Group yourself into 3. 4, 5. Okay, please palayo sa tulo ka grupo or just, shall I say, stay out from the other group, okay? Ready? We have how many group over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Group yourself into 4. And on less than a 4, you will be eliminated. You will be out of this game kung malapas o kuwang sa upat. Tabaw na count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're out na, kulot. No, moving this time. Oh, wala ka nalimo. Okay, 4 of you boys, you're now eliminated. Better luck next time because mag-iutas na pinakahayan ni si Puso. Isa pa lang out. If you're more than 5 or less than 5, you will be out. So please be calm. Okay? Move sa 8 to 6.
Dagdagin isa.
Halika na. Stop! O, ako ipunan ko mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Paano naman naman? Kasi ano naman? It's okay. Tapos ang warm up yung pamangyan. Here's how into 1, into 1, into 1, into 1, into 1, into 1, into 4, please.
2. Ayo, tama na natin.
Saktura. Into 3. Bye-bye. Ako na ang bilhin. Stay at the center, please. Stay at the center. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Group yourself into 1. Into 1. Into 1. Into 2. Sige, now this time we're going to change our games. Sa pila ka group, that's your partner. Pair number 1, pair number 2, pair number 3, pair number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Face your partner. Face your partner and hold your hands together with your partner. Gunit sa kamot sa inyong partner. At iba nga inyong paris. Ipag yung mataas sa inyong paris. Ayaw magmiro. Just follow the all say. Ano pa kayo lang ga at para na i-split lang sila. I-split lang. Can you do hakadunggan? Ear to ear.
Dunggan bi.
3, 4.
Liog.
Leo, that's not a neck. That's your chin. It's neck to neck, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next will be tummy to tummy. Back to back. Back to back.
Back to back Rio. Loyo. Loyo.
3, 4, 5. Ready? Now, elbow to elbow.
Elbow bi.
2, 1, 2, 3. Kayon, ako na sabi sa'yo na. Ready? Agtang sa agtang.
Agtang bi.
Tiyan sa dunggan.
Agtang ba?
Liog sa liog. Tiyan sa tiyan. Pupukos sa dunggan mo. Pupuk sa tuhod.
Tuhod.
Ang nasa left, get ready. Agtang sa tuhod. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sopa.
6, 7. Forehead, 2 knees.
Nataas pa si Rio.
Forehead, 2 knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out na mong duha. Question. Ma'am, nakakobi siya sa baho, ma'am. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tiyan sa tiyan. Tiyan sa tiyan. Tiyan sa tiyan. Tiyan sa tiyan. Ito, Tommy. You still in. Wala ka na out. Ito lang.
Chin.
Chin to chin. Chin. Ready?
Chinoy.
Now, ilong sa ilong.
Ilong sa ilong.
Ilong sa lupot. Ilong sa lupot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, ito tapos sinut ko yan. Out na kayo. Ang mga piling, how many pairs are now? Kapag ka lang ako, oh, hindi magarayin sa kanina. Okay, forward, ready? 1, 2, 3. The last one.
Rio, paminaw lang, paminaw.
Okay.
Gina, ikaw ko, Gina. Unya na.
Dunggan sa
Dunggan adi sa bag orange barot.
ilog sa ilog.
Ilog. Ah, di makaabot ang ilog nila.
Asan yung ilog lang? Ilog na nila. Kaya. Okay, ready? Kupak na lang. Ready? Tuhod sa tuhod.
Tuhod sa tuhod.
Back to back. Neck to neck.
Nose to nose. Hala, ang gilok.
Ready go. Ear to ear. Tummy to tummy.
Tummy to tummy.
Back. Ang mawali na out. Ready? Tummy to tummy. Dismiss.
Si Aki matiyan, oy. Tuhod.
Hindi po malis ko. Ang iyang partner may nag-adjust niya. Doon na lang ako. Doon na lang. Let's find out. Ready? Agtang saan?
Si Kon, barot.
Agtang tanawan ako kasabang naman. Agtang sa ulo. 1, 2. Okay, confidence. We have our winner celebration. Pangalan.
Wag na.
Gusto ko malamuan eh. Kaita lang. Okay, isa.
Winner na sila.
That's your prize of the day. Kayon! Ano ba di?
Rio.
Yes, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Pangalan! Rita! Sa tayo! Pau! Pau! Not pau. Okay, it's pau. Yeah, not pau, okay? Let's not here. Paulo! Paulo! Diba? Paulo!
Paula.
Very good. That's music. Ready? Paula. 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 Uh-oh. Bye. You're out. It's Paula. Ano, Paula? Ready? Paula.
Paula.
Yeah. Oh, hindi na ito, Paula. 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 Paula ka, Paula. Paula, if I say Paula, you're going to say Palwa. Understood? Pa is P-E-N, ang Pa is P-E-U, okay? Or P-O, P-E-O. Ready? Palwa! 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 Paula! Paula! Palwa! Palwa! Palwa!
Out na.
Sige na lang mga ate. Kaya naman ka, okay na lang eh. Ano? Isipin na kami ng pag yun. Kinasyanin mo! Kinasyanin! Sabi ay, line na plastic mo ha. Kaya na, naso na mga batang gagmay na sa dance or stop dance. Yun, Elise. Everybody will going to follow Elise dance move. Understood? Elise will going to dance and then all you have to do guys, you have to follow Elise. Musanag mo ni Elise ha, kung sa'y sayawon, kung sa'y skipping ni Elise ha. Kasi Elise, mga na kung dance instructor na kasi Elise. Together with, lamig mata ko na ito. Ready, one! Everybody, hi! Hello! What is the sound of the dog? Let me hear the sound. What is the sound of the monster? Get ready because you want to show Elise. Now everybody, let's dance and follow Elise. Are you ready, Elise? Yeah, she's ready. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give the everything dance! Mabishi, Elise. Sayang mo ha. Okay, mga boys, make your own steps for boys. Ready? Wow! Papa! Everybody, move backward. Parang this is the final game. O ano, dadakuling hawan dito yung pagtapok. Okay, ready? Hi! When the music is on, when the music is playing, you're going to dance. Okay, understood? Masaya basta matukar ang music. Without the music, it means if the music is stop, everybody, what are you going to do? You're going to stop, freeze, like a statue. Oh, mura ka mag-stop na ba? Kayo!
Ayog lihok ki! Ayog lihok! Ayog lihok basta muno! Ayog lihok basta muno!
Stop! Alas ang ipente.
Ayog lihok!
Ayaw, lihok, Prince. Kampal din nila ko. Bali ha. Ayaw, Jog lihok. Do not move this time. We will move this time.
Ashkil! Ayog lihok!
Lihok na kita, Prince. Sabi ko kahadlok mo. Ayaw! Ito sa kuya, tawalag mo. Ano siya kayo? Left, Balik mo yuk. Ayo coba. Balik mo yuk. Yung ketawa.
Awang nang ni Aki.
Ayo mo guys, sa bata.
Ako sa mara dito be.
Ay,
lihok na lihok.
lagi mo ano. Ayaw mo lihok. Sige, balik di. Wag ka na nagkanti. Anon. Ilang kung si Kwan may jockey, oh. Stop! Wala mo lihok. When the music stops, halos mga gagmay, oy. Price. Oh, here. And, very good. Akaron? Birthday girl, Luis, you can also join our yes or no game. Come here. Join, check ka join, Luis. You play our yes. Okay, pag banood mo nyo, wala pa ka na-active ka ron. Left side, okay? You're going to jump or move your body to the left side. Ready? Yes! Move to the left side. What? Ana. Sorry, Amy. Ana, yes, left side. When I say no, right side. Ready? Go! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes! Ana, let's go na. Ang mga dog may mga na. Madas na yan. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No!
No, anak. Kategory.
Bawal bumalik o tubag. Do not repeating of answer. Please. That's my category. You have to answer my category. If right tayo matagi sa words, kailangan matulamat mo ba? Ready? Mga presidente sa Pilipinas. Duterte is correct. Bongbong Marcos is correct.
Pagkaon inday kuya. Kaon na.
On behalf of Raj, ang iyong tita, the very supportive titas, we're going to give a birthday message for Elise Raj. In behalf of the dear sister, Mag Sir and Madam, ayaw
on magkusog sa Ginoo o sa aspang kinabuhi. Makaupa na iyahan di mo pamilya. Mara, I love you, babe.
Imik naman na hindi bluso.
Wish na ko ini sa'yo na babinalita para hindi ka mag-away ka.
Sir Roy, sa mudaan, Sir Roy.
Ikaw man mo baon mga basa natin cookies and cream na ice cream for free for Elise birthday. Ganaan mga ice cream, pinalabot ko sa pagkakas. Ice cream. Ang tawag sa mga really, guys ba? Kita, busuran sa namo si Elisa. Patag. Oh, di na ka kapila.
Asa mo ganahan, be? Masok ang back.
Patatayahan na. Okay. Mabatang gagmay. Ready?
Apilyong. Pagkuaryong. Kuaryong. Koy sindek. Ay! Tama na kuya. Tama na.
Mata dali kay 500 pesos.
Pauwi na kami guys. Ayan. Nakadala ng bring house. Ayan. Thank you sa birthday.